Hey, Tarek from Surfly. Greetings from Amsterdam. I trust you're enjoying the show. At Surfly, we're on a mission to innovate online interactions. We empower over 200,000 agents and advisors across the world with universal co-browsing, video chats, and real-time e-signing. Unlike other tools you're used to, like Zoom and Teams and WebEx, your own digital assets become a trusted and branded collaboration platform. We also offer extensive features and security capabilities as well. For instance, we can hide sensitive data like credit card numbers, social security IDs as well. We can integrate with CRMs like Salesforce, and we can also integrate with other chat tools or contact center platforms or even chatbots. We also have a very powerful audit log API, which allows you to stay in full control of the communication that your agents and advisors are having. We've been growing incredibly quick. Last year, we were only 9 people, and we are now 34 superstars in total. And we work with some of the largest names in financial services, the likes of AXA, Generali, Standard Bank, ABN AMRO, and the list goes on. Now, you've come here for a demo, so let me jump straight into it. What you're going to see here on the right-hand side is barclays.co.uk. On the left-hand side, you see app.surfly.com, which is our application. But bear in mind, this can be embedded into a CRM like Salesforce or contact center platforms. So your agents never need to leave to a Teams or WebEx. That can be a seamless experience. We also have very, very powerful APIs, which are mainly for the technical gang in the audience, which you can go to at docs.surfly.com. But back to the journey. After integrating this into your CRMs or advisor hubs, contact center platforms, your technical team, just needs a few lines of code, and they can integrate this seamlessly into your assets without any troubles at all. This is a real life demo because we do not work with barclays.co.uk. So this really shows the power of the technology. When I press enter, you'll see a Get Live Help button pop up on the screen. This can, of course, be anything that you wish. It can completely be customized. But let's imagine a customer's on the right, an advisor is on the left. A customer calls into the contact center, and the advisor seamlessly wants to help that customer along in a more visual way, which is really important because 65% of us are visual thinkers. And if you can connect visually, you can connect emotionally and build long relationships. So customer calls in, advisor asks the customer, hey, just press the Get Live Help button and I'll help you. Customer presses the Get Live Help button, and seamlessly on barclays.co.uk, a pin pops up. That pin can be given verbally over to the advisor, who can key it in wherever they are. And as if by magic, as easy as apple pie, we're now connected on a co-browsing session. How about that? The quality, seamless, no lag, very low latency technology, and everything is sandboxed onto that journey. The advisor can't see if the customer goes off to Facebook. Also, the advisor and the customer can upgrade the experience into a video chat by the click of one button on the toolbar. An advisor can join a video chat, and if the customer is not in their pajamas or has done their hair, they can join the video chat too. We can zoom in to the experience, and we can zoom out of the experience. And it doesn't have to be just one-on-one. We can have multiple people on the session just by adding users seamlessly to the session. We can have it as a private session, but we can have up to 25 people. So if an agent needs to bring in a loan officer or mortgage officer, or the customer needs to bring his wife to talk about a loan, very easy to do. We can then help instruct that customer to go and register for an account. And the customer can understand where to go and go off to register for an account. And the agent is able to follow. Now, look what I've done here. Over here, there's a postcode field with 0 code on the application. I managed to mask it. So whatever we put into there, the agent cannot see. And further down the line where there's a credit card number, I've done the same thing. As you can see here, agent cannot see the credit card number. Pretty magic, eh? And we can just transform these journeys across your digital assets. So we turn your whole estate into a collaboration journey, an active one, because we can switch control over to the agent who is now in control of that session. That agent can then help that customer to go over to maybe a personal loan calculator, and easily and more effectively walk through some of the figures that are probably the customer wants. So cross-selling, from opening an account, we can go and help that customer to get out a mortgage or a loan. We can also go over to a partner's website. So when we're talking about partner ecosystems in the industry, and trying to connect up not just the data, but also the front ends. So on the same journey, if Barclays, for example, has a partnership with AXA, that advisor is able to walk with that customer over to AXA in a secure way too, with a full audit trail of what's going on as well. AXA is one of our customers, and if you pass by the booth, you'll also be able to see one of the use cases over there. But pretty magic. We can go back, and you can also whitelist or blacklist the domain. So if you just want Barclays to access the service, then that's completely okay as well. Finalizing things, we can add in a document, and it could be a contract of some sort, or form that needs to be filled in, that gets uploaded seamlessly into the session, into the Surfly session, and we can then work collaboratively over this document as well. So very easy. You can see that we can annotate where there has to be name fields, and we can also, most importantly, have a real-time e-signing, where an advisor can sign a specific document and then switch the control in real time back to the customer, who can also insert their autograph as well, for the house that they're buying, for the yacht that they're looking for. But this is all certified. We have a very powerful audit log API that can make you compliant, and also help you to gain insight from your customers. And once the session ends, the customer goes on with what they're doing in an easy way, and the agent goes back to what they're doing. And this is some of the magic of Surfly. I hope you've really enjoyed this. Some of our customers and partners and references, if you'd like to reach out to me, you can do so at tarek@surfly.com. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn. And on the bottom right-hand corner of the page right now, you see a virtual goodie bag. So if you'd like to get your phones out, you can scan your camera on that, and you'll have a wealth of our use cases with financial services companies. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.